Hello friends, so today I want to show you how to make tiles on that back wall. Of course you can use a special brush for that, but since right now I don't have a brush, I'll just show how I would do it if I didn't have a brush for that tile that I want to do. So first I go to drawing assist again, turn that tool on, and here you can see isometric. I already chose this size, or grid size. You can see it's 209 pixels, and I like how it fits in my wall, so I'll leave it like that. We create a new layer for that. In the bottom, I already did it before to practice, but like I will create new layer to show how I do it. So I need to choose black color, and then brush that I usually use. It was Studio Pen, and now I just trace hexagons pretty much. So you just trace hexagons for your tile. There, I did one part here, then I can duplicate it and wait, did I duplicate it? Okay. Something is not working here. Okay. So there you go. Now I can move this here, so I don't need to draw it again. So I move it down here, and then I use flip vertical, and you can see how it turned, and now we move it here. Yeah, make sure that it fits everywhere properly. Now I just join these layers together, and again I can duplicate it, and same way I just move it down, and we repeat that again. Duplicate again and copy it, move down. Okay, now I need to just connect the lines here. Obviously you can do it in a different order the way you draw it, but it's just an idea of how you can draw tiles if you don't have the special brush. So we just repeat that until the tiling is done, like that. And now you can join these layers so that tile is in the same layer. Now we need to fill that tiling with some color. I create new layer, put it under the tiles and just in a new layer I can draw a rectangle. The selection tool that's rectangle shaped, and fill it with a color. Let's say it's light blue. There. Now another trick for these tiles. My tiles are not that perfect. They're not locked, so when I'll be filling these black lines with white color, it might take some time. But like if your tiles were connected like here perfectly without the gaps, you would be able to do it in one sitting. But again, since I'm just showing the basics of making tiles, you can of course make it in a faster and more perfect way. There, didn't take too much time. So why did I fill it with white? Let me turn off this drawing guide. Why did I fill it with white? Because I want to make a highlight on the tiles and move that layer a little bit here. So it's kind of has a little bit of 3D look or feel. There you go. And now on this layer with a color, I do an alpha lock so it doesn't go anywhere else except of that rectangle with tiles. I choose my Copic brush. You might probably use any other marker brush and color some tiles with different tones that blue tile might have depending on the light that's shining on it. So a few tiles I'll make lighter and a few tiles I'll make darker. So there's 3 tiles that are lighter, and let's see, this one, oopsie, this one will be the dark one. And this Copic brush, it works exactly as Copic markers in real life. If there's some lines that you don't like here, you can smudge them with this finger tool. You can smudge a little bit here. Okay, and one darker here. And again, you can smudge it. That. And you can see now it's already looking more like real in real life. Maybe do one more here. And smudge the edges. Blend the colors. So there you go, there's our tile texture. It would be easier to have a brush that's shaped like that, but like since I don't have it right now, I'm showing what you can do if you don't have the tiles brush. So you can pretty much draw any texture. Next time we'll work on this cabinet texture that's made of wood. I hope you like this tutorial. If you liked it, then like and subscribe and press notification button. See you soon.